Listen, exercise 7.2, sum number 9. The outer and inner surface area of a spherical copper shell are 576 pi centimeter square and 324 pi centimeter square respectively. Find the volume of the material required to make the shell. Right? So here given is outer and inner surface area of the sphere. So one shell we are having spherical shape. So sphere and another sphere. So shell inner radius is given, outer radius is given. This is R, this is capital R. So we need to find the volume of this hollow sphere. That is, we need to find volume of the hollow sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube centimeter square. This is formula for volume of the hollow sphere. So here we need r and capital R and small r we need. But in question they are given outer surface area of the sphere 576 pi centimeter square. Outer surface area is given, that is this is given, and then inner surface area of the sphere 324 pi. Using this data we have to find the r and small r. Listen, so outer surface area of the sphere, so 4 pi r square equal to 576 pi, because outer surface area of the sphere means formula 4 pi r square. Pi will be cancelled, 4 one time, remaining one 4 times, 4 times, 144 we are getting. R equal to root of 144, we are getting what? R equal to 12. R equal to 12 centimeter. Then inner surface area of the sphere. Inner surface area means 4 pi r square equal to, here outer surface area I using capital R, inner surface area using small r. This is equal to 324 pi. Pi will be cancelled, 4 8 times, here 1 time, 81 times. R square equal to 81 means r equal to root of 81, that is r equal to 9 centimeter. Small r also we will find, and then straightly we need to apply means we getting the answer. Right, listen, volume of the hollow sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube centimeter cube. This equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, that is 12 cube, minus 9 cube centimeter cube. 4 by 3, 22 by 7 into 12 cube. 12 cube is what? So 12 cube equal to 1728. 9 cube equal to 729. Multiply in your form, 12 cube, 12 into 12, we are getting 1728 minus 729. So this equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1728 minus 729, 999 we are getting 3 times, so 333. Then multiply this 333 into 22, 22 into 4, one answer we are getting, divided by 7, we get some answer, that is common for you. Right? So you have to write in the answer centimeter cube. Just what you have to do, multiply 4 into 20, that is 88 into 333, one answer you are getting by 7, divided by 7, you are getting the point something. Do it yourself. Thank you.